So, hello, today, Sebastian here. Today I'm going to teach you how, how the number tree works. So we have 36. Now you got to think of, this can be any number over here at the top, any number. Over here we have 6 times 6, because that equals 36. And then you got to find something that makes that. And then you take these numbers and you see what can turn into them. And so if it becomes a prime number, then you're basically done. But since we have 6 times 6 here, and then we have 3 times and 6 you can make 3 times 2 into 6. So we have 3 times 2 times 3 times 2. And so then we're good there like this, because we have those, and these are all prime numbers. We can't multiply them by any, nothing can make them. But then if you're doing this on IXL, they're going to ask you to put the numbers in order. But it's optional to go take the numbers, put 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, which is the same amount of numbers up here, just in order.